In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stock on Webull. We'll walk through the process in the paper trading environment so you can practice safely with virtual money before placing any real trades. Start by logging into your Webull platform. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Paper Trading. Webull will prompt you to choose a layout, either Classic or Turbo Trader. Classic gives you a straightforward, familiar trading screen. Turbo Trader is more modular and customizable, great if you like moving panels around. Either choice is fine. You're only selecting how the tools are arranged. After you pick one, you'll be inside a simulated trading account with a virtual balance, which means any orders you place here won't affect real funds. Next, find a stock to practice with. Use the search bar at the top and type a ticker symbol, like AAPL, TSLA, or NVDA. Click the result to open the stock's chart and details page. Take a moment to glance at the price, recent movement, and the bid and ask. This context can help you decide how you want your order to execute. When you're ready to place an order, click the Trade or Buy button. That opens the order ticket, usually on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll set the specifics of your order. Set the action to buy. Then choose your order type. A market order buys instantly at the current available price. It's fast and simple, but the final fill may differ slightly from what you see on the screen because prices can move quickly. A limit order buys only at the price you choose or better. This gives you more control. Set your limit price where you're comfortable, and the order will execute if the market reaches that level. If it doesn't, the order may remain open. Enter the quantity, which is the number of shares you want to purchase. Start small while you're practicing so you can get a feel for how orders fill. Before you submit, confirm you're in the paper trading account. Look for a clear label or banner indicating paper trading and the virtual balance. This ensures you're not using real funds. Once everything looks correct, click Buy. Market orders should fill immediately, while limit orders will show as open until your price is hit. You can view the result on the chart and in your positions. That's it. Log in, open paper trading, pick a layout, search your stock, open the trade window, set buy, choose market or limit, enter your share quantity, confirm paper trading, and click buy. Practice a few times to build confidence.